What if you disappeared for 30 days? No phone, no social media, no people. No one can reach you. No distractions. Just you. Part 1. The first 3 days. Day 1 feels exciting, like freedom. You finally feel in control. But day 2, things feel strange. Your brain starts craving noise. By day 3, boredom hits hard. Part 2. Your mind changes. Something unexpected happens. You start noticing things you ignored. Your thoughts become louder. You face yourself without distractions. And that can be uncomfortable. Part 3. The breakthrough. Then something powerful happens. Clarity. You realize what actually matters. You stop chasing distractions. You start building focus. Part 4. The new you. By day 30, you are different. Your mind is calmer. You think clearly. You control your time. And most importantly, you control your life. Final hook. So could you do it? 30 days. No distractions. Try it and watch your life change.